Our new factory and offices are now operational in Jiangmen, Guangdong. It signifies a comprehensive upgrade of our core R&D and manufacturing capabilities. Our open-plan workspace unites specialized teams in engineering, quality, and support. The core technical team drives product innovation through collaborative efficiency and deep expertise. Meanwhile, our international sales team at the Guangming headquarters closely monitors global market trends and addresses customer needs. This exhibition hall presents CINO's journey of more than a decade, showcasing its complete product line and innovations cultivated over this period. More than 290 patents and awards attest to CINO's recognized expertise in technology, quality, safety, and service. Across every display, from our culture and milestones to collaborative and proprietary products, the space tells the story of our growth and our commitment to excellence, focus, and open collaboration. As a core R&D team, CINO's technical engineers are responsible for prototype development, assembly, and testing. Lab 1 specializes in full machine lifespan testing. It covers finished products from the R&D, improvement, and mass production phases. Lab 2 conducts reliability validation on both finished products and components. It is equipped with professional apparatus such as dual-arm drop testers, glow wire testers, and constant climate chambers. The anechoic chamber tests coffee machine noise during operation to ensure compliance with quietness standards. Our production area operates 8 streamlined assembly lines. Through standardized processes and strict quality control, we achieve over a 99% pass rate. Each line now produces more than 1,000 small and medium-sized coffee machines per day, with commercial machines steadily reaching 100 units daily. We have inspection stations at key points from components to finished machines. They verify the function of every part and final product, ensuring safety and quality throughout the process. A temperature-controlled warehouse provides a stable and optimal environment for critical components and sealing materials. Every finished machine that passes final assembly and testing is packed and shipped to destinations around the world. Rooted in customer needs and serving the global market, CINO will continue to deepen its commitment to R&D and manufacturing, delivering an even higher quality coffee machine experience.